Find all real solutions, 2 to the power of x minus square root of 2, all to the power of x plus 4, minus 32 equals 0. This here is a Cambridge admission exam question. And you only have about maybe 4 minutes to finish this. So if you don't know what you're doing, it's going to take you a lot longer than 4 minutes. Are we going to do it in 4 minutes? Definitely not, because I'm going to have to explain this. So it's a challenging question, that's for sure. So the first thing that we're going to do when we're doing this is to rewrite this as 2 to the power of x minus. And since we know if we multiply x to the power of a times x to the power of b, that gives me x to the power of a plus b. And this is the a plus b right here. Then if we work backwards and this relationship is reversible, we could change it from here to here by rewriting this as root 2 to the power of x times root 2 to the power of 4 minus 32 equals 0. Now, that's going to be 2 to the power of x. And I'm going to do root 2 to the power of 4 first. So 2 to the power of 4 is 16. The square root of 16 is 4. So that's going to be minus 4. And root 2 to the power of x, I'm going to change. We know the square root just means 2 to the power of 1/2. And we have the x right here, minus 32 equals 0. Now, believe it or not, this is a quadratic. And for me, I'll solve this right away without doing any substitution or anything like that. But for you to understand it, I'm going to maybe use the substitution method. And I'm going to let this part of the equation here to be u. And this will be u squared. Now, you might argue and say, what? How come you called it that? So now let's go and say, okay, u is 2 to the power of half x. And u squared would be, so it means if we square this and we write it as 2 to the power of 1/2 x squared, we know when we have a power outside of the brackets, we multiply it into the power inside the bracket. So 2 times 1/2, that's just 1, and that's gonna end up giving us 2 to the power of x, which is exactly that. And therefore, we could take this and change it to u squared minus 4u minus 32 equals 0. Factor this, so that's going to give me u minus 8 times u plus 4 equals 0. Two numbers multiplied to give me negative 32 and add to give me negative 4 is negative 8 and 4. And therefore here, u would equal 8 and negative 4. And we know, of course, u is 2 to the half x. So basically, we could say 2 to the power of half x equals 8, or 2 to the power of half x equals negative 4. And this here is going to give me no solution because we cannot raise a number to any power to get a negative answer. That's impossible. And here, to be able to solve this, you just go 2 to the power of half x equals, and 8, we could change it to 2 to the power of 3. Now cancel the bases because they're the same. Half x equals 3. Cross multiply the 2 into the 3. You get x equals 6. And that's the answer for that one. I hope you got it. And if you didn't get it, watch my video again. You will get it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.